I've been telling my wife for 5 years since we moved here that I would not raise livestock like she is with her chickens because it just doesn't make positive return on investment. We're probably eating $5 eggs with the chickens right now. But with the shortage of chicken in the grocery stores, I'm able to quickly realize the value of having the ability to produce your own meat. Now, you know that I don't eat meat much at all, very rarely, but we are going to be raising these Japanese jumbo quail, also called cornic quail, for meat and eggs. And we will be consuming those ourselves, putting them in the freezer, storing them, and also selling the eggs and the meat. The cool thing about this is that I can raise these chicks to full adulthood, and within 6 weeks, they are laying eggs. It costs me about 4.5 cents a day to feed each chick, and they will lay 300 plus eggs a year, and I can sell those eggs depending on whether they're for consumption or for hatching, anywhere between 30 and 50 or 60 cents or $1 or more each. So we are producing our own food at a very low cost, and we are providing food for others and a business. So I've got 30 here. We'll start with that. I've never raised animals before. I do have the cages built. This is their brood box here, and these are literally 24 hours old. And so they will be in here for about 4 weeks, and then we'll move them to the brooder box and separate them, and then we'll move them in layers and so forth into their own pens. But anyway, just wanted to encourage you to consider controlling your own meat source very inexpensively. I can put 100 quail in quail apartments in a 4-foot by 2-foot area. And I'll do videos here. I've already got those cages made, and I'll show you how you can do that. Very, very affordable. These chicks cost me $1.50 each. And in 6 weeks, I'll be eating eggs, somewhere probably between 15 and 20 eggs they'll be hatching out a day. So something to consider in your preparedness. Very quick turnaround, low cost, great business, and great opportunity to help others in growing their own food, so we're not reliant on the food chain in the grocery stores. This is LDS Prepper reminding you, if ye are prepared, ye shall not fear the food shortage, if that happens again, or somebody else controlling you because they control the food.